Very good morning, all the students. Welcome back to our online class for today. Okay, so today is Friday, September 4th, 2020. Okay, so today is the last day of the week, and tomorrow will be holiday. All right, students. So we are going to continue lesson 1, taking the semester off, and yeah, today they come up with some vocabularies that we have learned so far in this lesson, and this is a new topic. Grammar. We are going to continue about part D. Grammar, present perfect. So we will learn how to use present perfect. Okay, in this video you will know exactly about the definition of the usage of present perfect, some example, and the forms of present perfect as well. Okay, so student, so now please open your book, Blueprint 3 book on page 93. Then you will see the topic that we are going to learn for today. So first, teacher would like to read and tell you about the definition, all of this vocabulary again. Okay, so this is for review. All right, good students. So are you ready? Let me get started with the vocabulary about review. Okay. So let's need to tell you taking a semester. Taking a semester off means that take a break a semester. Okay. Good. Review. Whole. Pros and cons. West. Possibility. Earn. Homeless. Figure off. Block. Again. Block. Figure off. Homeless. Earned. Possibility. West. Pros and cons. Hold. Okay, student, repeat after me all together. Hold. Pros and cons. West. Possibility. Earned. Homeless. Figure out. Block. Figure out. Homeless. Earned. Possibility. West. Pros and cons. Hold. Okay, good students. So you still remember about all of this vocabulary meaning? So okay, hold means all of something. For example, they just say whole day mean 1 day. Okay, whole day mean 1 day. Okay, so pros and cons, you know already about the word pros. So pros is opposite from the word cons. So pros means positive, the good idea. Okay, so we call the good idea or the good points, and cons we talk about the bad points. Okay, so pros and cons. So these two words different from each other. Okay. C, vest. What does it mean, vest? Vest means to use too much. To use too much of something. Example, we use too much money to spend for something that is not necessary. Okay, so we call vest. Okay, and possibility. Possibility, we talk about some things that may happen. Okay, that may happen. Yeah, so we call possibility. Something that can be happened in the future. Okay, earn means to get something. For example, we earned a lot of money from our business. So we earned money from our job. So this called earned. Okay, and homeless. What does it mean, homeless, students? Who can tell me about the word homeless? All right. So the word homeless, we talk about the people who have no place to live. Okay, no place to live, we call homeless. Or we can say a person who has no home. Okay. Figure out. Okay, so figure out, we talk about to understand something or to solve the problems. Okay, to solve the problems. Okay, the last one, block. Okay, block. So block, right? Block is such as personal website. Okay, about the personal opinions. Okay, about someone opinions or someone experiences. Okay, you can also create your own blog. Okay, at the website. So you can go to Google, then you type blogspot.com, then you will see one website that allow you to create an account of blog. Okay, then you can write. It is like a website as well, but it's smaller than. Right, so good. So that's all for the review, everyone. Did you believe you understand all of this vocabulary? And okay, you can use it in the sentences. Alright, so now let's move to our main topic for today. We are going to learn about, okay, present perfect. Okay, so good, everyone. So present perfect. How do we use present perfect in the sentences? And what are the forms of present perfect? Give me some example. Okay, so example here and the form over here, and this is the definition of present perfect. Okay, good. So present perfect is often used to talk about experiences. Used to talk about experiences means something that happened already. Okay, things that happened or didn't happen. Things that happened or didn't happen. Okay, at an unspecific time in the past. Okay, so look at the timeline. Example, teacher write it here, okay, here. So this is past, now, and future. Okay, past, now, and future. Where are present perfect? So present perfect is here. Okay, in the past, in the past, in the past. So it happened in the past. No definite time or no specific time. Mean we not remember when it happened. Okay, we not remember when it happened. So it happened in the past. Happened in the past. Okay, happened in the past. But we not sure when it happened. Okay, so it is different from past simple. Okay, past simple is in the past also, in the past. But past simple is different time. Okay, different time have a time expression. Example, I went to bed last night. Okay, so last night we talk about, okay, the past express time. Okay, express time that we know the time. So this is past simple. But present continuous, we talk about some things happened. Things that happened in the past or didn't happen in the past at an unspecific. Unspecific means not sure about the time that happened in the past. Okay, good. We just know that all of this action, this action happened in the past, but we're not sure about the time when it happened. Okay, right, good. So now let's see the example. One, I have read. Okay, I have read a lot of blogs. I've read a lot of blogs. So have read a lot of blogs. Okay, we have read, okay, a lot of blogs, but we don't know. We're not sure when. Okay, we're not sure about the time, the day, okay, the year. Okay, that we have read a lot of that blogs. Okay. Number two, I have not cooked. Oh, cook here should be read. Okay, so I have not cooked dinner yet. I have not cooked dinner yet. Okay, dinner yet. So I have not cooked dinner yet. The speech that we talk right now, it should be, we talk about the past, but this action continue until now, right? I have not cooked. I have not cooked dinner yet. So now, not. Okay, not cook it yet. So present perfect also can happen. Okay, it's happened in the past and continue until now. Okay, some action continue until now. Okay, so the result, we talk about the result, is can be affect the present as well. Okay, good. Number three, have you considered taking a semester off? Have you considered taking a semester off? So this is question. Okay, all right. So students, look at this. The word read, this is verb, and cook, consider have ed in the end, and this word has ed in the end also. So this called verb 3 or participle. Okay, participle or verb 3. Participle or verb 3. So the form of present perfect. Okay, so have for has plus past participle. Okay, so teacher have three forms for you over here. The first form is positive form, and second is negative. Oh, no, yeah, negative, and third is question. Okay, so let's see the form subject. So subject is I, right? I have or has. Okay, plus verb 3. Verb 3 means past participle. Okay, if you're not sure about verb 3 and you don't know about past participle, please open your book to page 93. Okay, then you will see. Okay. Okay, over here, so 93. You will see about past participle. So past participle means verb 3 means verb that add ed, that have ed in the end or change from the first. Some word change from the first word to another word. Okay, this is called irregular verb, and yeah, it is depends on the verb. If that verbs, this verb or that verbs are a regular verb, or that verb are irregular, it will change to the form of it. Okay, for the regular verb, past participle for all those verbs add ed or ied, okay, to the end of it. And for irregular verbs, it changes from the first verb to another verb. Okay, like the word read over here. It is from the word read, read. Okay, so good. So after have or has should be okay past participle. Okay, so subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Okay. Number 2, subject plus have or has plus not. So after have or has, when we want to make it to negative, you should add and not plus verb 3 plus object. Number 3, have has plus subject. This is question plus verb 3 plus okay have has plus a subject plus verb 3 plus subject or complement. Okay, good. That's all, students. Okay, so present perfect. Present perfect is different from past simple. Okay, so present perfect we talk about the action that happened in the past, no definite time or unspecific time in the past. So we don't know about the time that it happened. Okay, that is it happened. So like this, and sometimes the result that can be it cause the present as well. Okay, the result can cause the present as well, as you can see here in the timeline. Okay, so it happened in the past, but we're not sure which one. We're not sure about the time that it's happened. Okay, so we use present perfect if you want to talk about something that happened in the past. Okay, but for things that happened in the past and you know about the time, so you can use past simple. Okay, good. So teacher hope that you understand. If you're not sure about this, you can leave your question below the video and home teacher will try to answer your question. Okay, good. Thank you so much, students. So please have a nice breakfast. Goodbye.